Hello buddies, I'm Nonit and today we will talk about the Shanghai Cooperation Organization which actually recently in the news. So let's first talk about why Shanghai Cooperation Organization in news. Remember that here what happened, the 16th meeting of the Secretariat of the Security Council recently had where in the Dushanbe, Tajikistan, and remember that it is headed by the state of the National Security Advisor of the countries present in this meeting. Remember that, and remembered one thing that the China didn't participate in this Secretariat of Security Council which is recently handed Dushanbe, Tajikistan. So let's talk about the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Remember that Shanghai Cooperation Organization is a permanent. This word is very important because it's a key word where you can ask in the examination. So it is a permanent intergovernmental international organization. Again remember, Shanghai Cooperation Organization is a permanent intergovernmental international organization headquartered at Beijing, China. If you talk about its creation or its generation, SCO creation announced in the Shanghai, Beijing, which is in Shanghai, China on June 15, 2001. And remember that its charter means this Shanghai Cooperation Organization charter signed in June 2002, and what is everything in the charter, basically it outlined the organizational goal of a Shanghai Cooperation Organization. And remember that actually the Shanghai Cooperation Organization actually came into force in 19 September 2003. And what are the founding countries? So founding countries is very important because it can be asked in the country. So remember that founding countries in China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. So basically the 6 members which are the founding countries, and remember that India is not a founding country of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Now let's talk about the goal of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So remember that mutual trust, neighboring alliance among the states, promotion, cooperation in polity, trade, economy, peace, security, and moving actually towards the establishment of fair, rational and new international order is the main goal of this Shanghai Cooperation Organization. And remember that head of states means if India, then there is a Prime Minister of India means the Narendra Modi. If there is a China, then the Xi Jinping, Russia, then the Vladimir Putin is the main supreme decision making body. So this head of state will be the supreme decision making body of in this Shanghai Cooperation Organization. In SCO, actually SCO divided into, first is the SCO Secretariat, actually headquartered in Beijing, China, and another is the Regional Anti-Terror Structure, popularly known as RATS in short form, and where the headquarters is Tashkent, Uzbekistan. And remember that actually the NSA means the RNSA, Ajit Doval actually referred to this and regional anti-terror structure basically to combat the terrorism with the help of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Remember that there are the 8 member countries, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. India and Pakistan became a member in June 2017 in Astana, Kazakhstan. Remember that India and Pakistan became a member in June 2017 Astana, Kazakhstan. This can be asked. And there are the 4 observer state as well and 6 dialogue partners. They are not actually the member but observer state and the dialogue partners. Outcome of Shanghai Cooperation Organization: first, action plan against the Pak-based terrorist organization Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. As you know, these are the terrorist organization which is operating in Pakistan. So NSA clearly said about this. Another is the full implementation of UN designated terrorist individual like Jaish-e-Mohammed and whatever organization in all over the country. So UN designated, as you know. So another is the talked about Ajit Doval talked about the infrastructure project. NSA talked about the infrastructure project like the Chabbar project and International South Terminal Corridor, etc. So these are the some infrastructure. Now the most important is talked about the Afghanistan crisis and Afghanistan issue. As you know that US now taking away their soldiers from the Afghanistan, and that's why there is a crisis, and that might be that their terrorist organization or there are some terrorist organization which can hamper the security of India as well as the Pakistan and some neighboring countries as well, like China as well. So that's why the Afghanistan issue talked about, said by the RNSA Ajit Doval. So this is all about the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. What we have talked about, the basic facts we have known, the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and the outcome of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So thank you guys. Hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.